Many young people take part in judicial proceedings. These are opportunities to speak and be heard in court or in a hearing room before a decision is made that might affect you. This could happen, for example, when your parents are getting divorced or when you have witnessed or been affected by a crime. At the European Union Agency for Fundamental Rights, we have been listening to young people like you, learning how to improve your experience of proceedings. Of the many rights you have, we'd like to tell you about 3 in particular, which exist to protect and help you throughout your involvement. You should never be afraid to speak. If you talk to judges, lawyers, police officers, social workers and others, they should listen to you, because you have the right to be heard. For example, if you are asked to appear in court, you should be allowed to explain how you see things and to give your opinions. You should always be made to feel safe when doing this, and in a place that makes you feel comfortable. There are rules on how you should be treated, and all the people who listen to you should be aware of these. It means you should always be treated in a respectful and friendly way. Remember, you have the right to be heard. No one has to go through legal proceedings on their own. Other people are there to help you and look after your best interests, because you have a right to safety and protection. This should involve support provided by, for example, a legal counsellor. This person will give you advice, making sure that your rights are respected, so you always feel protected. Either they or another professional support person, like a social worker, should guide you through proceedings in a coordinated and simple way. They can also connect you with any further help you might need, for example with a therapist. Keeping in contact with you and your parents or guardian, these professional support persons will help you to feel safe and protected during proceedings. When you are involved in legal proceedings, such as being at court, you should always be told what is going on. For example, who will be involved, how and where things will happen, and what your rights are, because you have the right to information. All the information should be presented to you in a clear and easily understandable way, and you should always feel free to ask as many questions as you like until both you and the person informing you, for example a social worker, are sure that you understand. Keeping you informed throughout proceedings is an important way of ensuring that you are prepared, because when things are explained, you can better express your thoughts. That's the power of the right to information.